designed A-type chainsaw trousers. They've got this Kevlar lining all around the front of the trousers, but at the back there's just the cotton fabric for us to get through. So let's see how the three scissors compare. First, I'm going to take the standard trauma shears. I'm just going to make a pilot hole and cut through. Straight through, no trouble. In fact, let's see if I was to use the rip shear function. Again, pilot hole there. I can tear down really quite quickly. If I want to see how I get on with the Kevlar, with the rip shears, should I have to go through the front of the leg? So there you have three very different pairs of trauma shears working on a very tough fabric. If you're looking to buy a pair, do your research and select what's right for you, but I hope this has helped. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button. Thanks for watching and stay safe.